Hey, Roger at the CVS Dover, New Hampshire. All the shades up. This is the register side sensor here. I'm gonna press down. All the shades are going down as they should. Gonna press the stop on this one. Everything did stop. I'm gonna go back down here. They all should go down. Okay, they're just sponging on the frame itself, but the limits are good. Back up on the sun sensor. Pressing the stop on the sun sensor. And going back up on the wall switch. Today is July 8th, either 7 or 8, and hopefully this is the last time I need to come up here. Thanks for watching.